Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and tap on the contact you would like to edit. Actually tap on this info icon and tap on the camera icon right in the middle. And right now we've got actually two different options from which we can choose. We can set the gallery, so we will be able to pick the photo which has been previously taken, or we can tap on camera and then your device will open the camera app. So it's quite a cool option if you've got the person right in front of you. But I will pick the gallery, so let me tap on it, give all the permissions, and let me tap on the photo which I would like to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square and actually the circle inside it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. As you can see, you can also zoom it in or out, and so you can decide what you will see after saving it, because this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done, and as you can see it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save. And this is how the contact looks like. After getting back, you can see it also on the contact list, and you will be able to see twice all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.